your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, hey, welcome back in. A beautiful scene for us here in downtown Lexington tonight with the mostly sunny sky, a few clouds parting the way. We had some warm, comfortable temperatures out there today. Temperatures now in the upper 70s, dew points around 60, so it's just a touch humid at times. The southwest winds, southeast winds coming at us at 11 miles an hour here tonight. Temperatures all across the bluegrass in the upper 70s to near 80. We had 80 in Frankfort. Richmond was just above 80 moments ago. Now we start to see those temperatures drop off just a little bit. But then we head into tomorrow and things are going to be very, very nice, very hot, very summer-like. The ice cream will be melting because we're going to have temperatures bottom out in the mid-60s, and then the high temperature tomorrow goes into the mid-80s. The feels-like temperatures, or your heat index, is going to actually push into the upper 80s and maybe even flirt with 90 at times, thanks to some muggy dew points that start to roll into the area as we go into tomorrow. Here's the scene for us and why this is coming in. First, we've got this warm front that is working towards us, and as it does, it develops the southwest flow, brings in the heat and the moisture. It also is going to try to kick off an isolated strong storm for us as we head into tonight. A level 1 risk for us here right across central Kentucky. That's going to be in play for any storm that can get going. We could see an isolated wind gust or some large hail. Those are your two threats for tonight. And Futurecast seems to think that there's going to be a couple that do develop, although we're not seeing any of this activity currently on radar. Something to keep an eye on as we head into the overnight. Few isolated cells that turn strong even into early parts of tomorrow morning. Can't rule out an isolated shower or two early in the day either, but another mix of partly cloudy to mostly sunny as we go into tomorrow afternoon. Then a cold front is going to come in, and we're going to have a 2-day severe threat. Now, Thursday looks pretty marginal. In fact, maybe overnight Thursday into Friday, our best chance for that. We've got a level 1 and a level 2 risk here splitting Kentucky. Really, I think our big day is going to be on Friday. We've already got a level 3 draped to our north and west. It does include a few of our counties in the Fox 56 viewing area, but everybody is inside at least the level 2. And so we'll be watching for multiple rounds of strong to severe thunderstorms as this system progresses. Now here's Futurecast starting early tomorrow morning as that warm front comes back. You'll see that a couple of those spotty showers, they're pretty hit or miss. It's really later in the day, 6, 7 o'clock, that we'll see some isolated storms work through in a broken line. Some of those might turn strong, but most of our activity here you can see showing up on Futurecast really comes in for early Friday morning, 5, 6, 7 a.m. That'll be round 1. Then we go into the middle of the day and we might see a few storms linger, but more strong to severe thunderstorm activity pops up again in the evening. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, we'll see some isolated to scattered strong to severe storms, and then a strong line will congeal and develop and push into central Kentucky, and that then brings us our next chance, our third wave, you could call it, for a severe threat into Friday night. Storms wrapping up into early Saturday, but then the trend gets drier from there. Just an isolated chance from Sunday and beyond as temperatures start to settle just a little bit cooler into next week.